Yo, what up YouTubiacs? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only using me tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another unboxing for you guys right now, so we are at no further ado. And I kind of like stuttered right there, but it doesn't matter, because we get into this unboxing, and I'm not trying to do this video over, because it's like my fourth take trying to do this, so we're going to get to this unboxing. So, and no further ado, no bat knife, because we don't need the bat knife, and we're just going to rip this open as so. And here we go. I don't know why it's a big ass envelope like that, but there we go right there. So what is it? It is actually this case right here, as you can see right here in clear. I actually had to order another one. I wanted it in black, so this is the black transparent. Oh, this is from the same company, which is, what is this? Can't pronounce it. Is it Suit something? I don't know the name of it. I'll put the name. Am I going to edit the video? I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to edit the video, buddy. Here it is right here. I got it both in black, and one of them just popped out the box right there, which was kind of stupid. But I prefer the black over the clear. So I got two black clears right here, and I prefer this one a little bit better over the clear one right here. So let's just remove this really quick. Just simple remove off right there. So the one thing that I do hate about when you remove these cases off of the watch is that it does leave like debris on it. So let's just wipe down the watch a little bit. No, it's not dirt that's on it. Come on, get off of here. Why is that even doing that? Hold on a second, guys. Let's just pull this down, clear out all my notifications real quick, because I have a few. Okay, there we go. Just cleaning up a little bit. I mean, this is good. If I had the silver watch or the natural titanium, whatever it is, I wouldn't care, but this is the ones that I wanted right here. Just pop that right there and just pull a little bit. Boom. Oh yeah, that looks way better. Oh yeah, I like this one better than the clear one. Especially with this part right here. Compared towards my other band that I showed you guys that was really bulky. Let me actually grab that band for you guys real quick so I can actually show you guys the difference on the bands right there. Which this one is a little bit bulky. So as you see right here, this is a two-piece case right here. So this one right here is like a silicone rubber, and it actually protects it. I do love this on here. I will buy the other piece that goes on top of it just to protect it for bumps and stuff like that. Then if I want it real bulky like that, I'll just throw this on like that. And so just like that, and boom, you got yourself a thick boy right there, as you can see. And I do like it with these bands right here. This band basically comes like that, and it makes it really bulky like that. Only problem is the way how this band is right here. There's a slot right here, so these cases have a special cutout, as you can see right there. There's a special cutout on these cases specifically for this type of band right here, and you can only get this case from this company. So when you put it on, things just popping all over the place. When you pop it on, and so you see there's the cutout for it right there. So if I flip it around, you see there's a natural cutout for that right there. And these cases are only from this company, and it's specifically for this type of band. The reason why I got this band, because it makes the Apple Watch look way different compared towards what it is, and I love it. It makes it look unique, and it makes the watch pop out a little bit more compared towards the standard bands and stuff like that. Got stuff all over my hand, but as you can see, the name of the company is called, what is it, Suitisbest. I guess that's the name, Suitisbest. But this is what it looks like, and I like the transparent black. It just makes this watch pop out more. Like, look at that. I just like it over this clear one. I got two of them, so if something happens to this one, I got another backup black one. Then if something happens to the black one, I got the clear one. So yeah, I'm happy with it, and I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces one. If you get it, you can get in these two colors right here. You can get it in the clear and black, or you can get it in the black and black like that, or you can get it in the clear and clear. Doesn't matter, but this is how it looks. So let that be a screenshot right there. Yeah, so that's my thumbnail right there. I said screenshot. That's my thumbnail right here for this case. Yeah, maybe like this. Maybe I should do it like this, but the whole point is the case, and you know, something probably like right there. Gives you the case with the band. Yeah, wipe that off my hand. So yeah, that's my thumbnail, I guess, right here. And I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Wow.